Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're not hearing any sound inside of the YouTube app on your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing we need to do is just make sure that our browser is not muted, and to do that all you need to do is right click on the YouTube tab at the top here and you'll have this option to mute the site. Now if you can see the text mute site, then it's obviously already unmuted, but if it says here unmute site, then it means your website is muted and you'll need to go ahead and select that. So the next thing we need to do is come over to our start menu and search for sndvol.exe and then come over to this run command. Now from here, just make sure that Google Chrome is turned up in this list here. As you can see, we can adjust the slider, so make sure this is not muted and make sure the slider is turned up. Then we can close out of this window, and the next thing you'll need to do is head over to your start menu, search for control panel and head over to the control panel icon. At the top here, come over to view by and make sure this is set to large icons. Head over to the sound tab, and in this playback tab, we need to make sure that our speakers are set to the default device. So to do that, just select your speakers and click this set default button at the bottom down here, and you can also disable any devices that we're not currently using inside of here just by right clicking and selecting disable. Then what you need to do is go ahead and right click on your speakers, come into properties and head over to the advanced tab. Down at the bottom you just need to make sure that this option is left unchecked, enable audio enhancements, and go ahead and press apply and OK. Now the last thing you can do if that's still not working is head over to the start menu and search for services, click on the services tab, and from this list of services we need to come all the way down to the bottom and there should be a service in here called Windows Audio. So just double click on this service, make sure the startup type is set to automatic and make sure the service status is set to running, and you can just press the start button if it's stopped and then go ahead and press apply and OK, and that should have now fixed any issues you were having with hearing sound inside of YouTube. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.